Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a decorated Christmas house tour. So we moved into our new house about a month ago. So we still don't have a lot of furniture just because we're really picky on the type of furniture and the aesthetic that we want to have in this house. So the things that we do have, we have fallen in love with and they are staple pieces in our home. But I mainly decorated in our main level, so like the kitchen a little bit, the dining room, and the living room. That's mainly where I decorated just because I didn't want to get overwhelmed like purchasing a home and decorating it for the first time. And over the years, I'm pretty sure I'm going to collect more pieces. So this is what I have so far, and I mainly DIY'd most of the things. I'll let you know what I DIY'd because I wanted to stay on a budget and I kind of wanted my aesthetic like a certain way and wanted all my decor to match throughout the house. So let's get on to the video. So before I went on with the video, I wanted to share with you guys how I stayed under $100, including buying a new Christmas tree. About 75% of the decor that you see throughout my house, I DIY'd. So the wreath that you see here, I actually got for $6 at Michael's. And I spray painted it white so it can look like fake snow. And then the berries that I got from the Dollar Tree and Michael's, I pretty much just hot glued everything like you see me doing right now. And I did the same thing for the garland, which I got for $3 at Michael's as well. By DIYing everything myself, I was able to make everything look exactly how I wanted, and I was able to stay under a crazy low budget. So I have these pine cones, and I want to put these red pine cones on the Christmas tree because I have a white flock tree, and I'm also going to use that. That's for my Black Friday haul. I'm going to use these flowers for like fillers on the tree. I finally got my ribbon from that I mentioned on my Black Friday haul that they forgot to put in my bag. So this is what it looks like. And then whatever is left over from the berries, or I can go like pick some more up, I'm gonna like use them as fillers as well on the tree. And then I got these little ones, these ornaments from the Dollar Tree as well. And I also got these ornaments, these red ones. And I think there's 5 pieces in each one, and I got them from the Dollar Tree, so I think they're really good, like inexpensive ornaments, especially that my decor is pretty much like red, green, and white. So for the bathroom, I wanted to keep it very simple. I put this red and white ombre candle that goes perfectly with my decor. And then I filled up this vase with all the pine cones, and I trimmed off some of the wreath, and I stuck it in there as well. This is the only corner that I decorated. I got the Santa from my mom's house, and I believe she got it from Michael's. And then I also got this. Here are some berries from the Dollar Tree, from Michael's that are in my Black Friday haul. I got this from the Dollar Tree, and then I believe I had this left over from the Dollar Tree as well. And then in my dining room, I kept it very minimal, and I just made this little wreath right here. I made the same wreath that I made throughout the house in the kind of like the same aesthetic, and I pretty much just hot glued the same berries, the same pine cones. I spray painted the same garland. I just cut it up to make it like a smaller garland, and I put this Bath and Body Works candle in the middle. And then when you walk into the living room, this is what it looks like. And we got our Christmas tree that Elena keeps knocking over, so it's slightly slanted. And I made all this garland right here, along with this wreath right there. It has the same berries and the flowers, and these are actually the ornaments from the Christmas tree. I just didn't use them all. I believe we got this tree from Walmart, and I don't have a tree skirt yet just because I haven't found any that I like. And like I said before, the ornaments are from Michael's, and then I also got some ornaments from the Dollar Tree, and I think they look pretty good. They don't look cheap at all, and I was really impressed at the quality of Dollar Tree ornaments because I've never gotten them before. I also feel like the faux fur ribbon that I got from Michael's ties it all together, and it makes it look a little bit more expensive. And over here I did the same thing. I added some pine cones in the ornaments, and a little bit of garland and stuff in a vase. I got that sign from the Dollar Tree. Have my candle going. And then up here, I have the same garland. And then we actually have our stockings. And I decided to hang the wreath that I made that you guys saw earlier in the beginning of the video up right there in the middle. I feel like it makes it look so elegant and so grand. And then over here I have my succulents that my friend gifted me along with some of my crystals. And then got the snowman and this other one from my mom's house. And then this is actually a like fall sign that my sister gifted me. I just turned it over and I stuck these pine cones, the same pine cones, the same ornaments that I got, and I kind of just layered them like this. And for the couches, I wanted to keep it really, really simple. I got this $5 pillow from Walmart, and then I got this really fuzzy throw at Target on Black Friday for $10. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I decorated my entire living space area for $100. I hope everyone is enjoying their holiday season. And if you guys want to see more videos like this from my channel where I decorate everything on a budget, please let me know. I would love to make more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And thank you guys so much for watching. Merry Christmas.